These are your eyes and ear medications. The first subcategory is glaucoma agents. If you know anything about glaucoma, then you know that glaucoma is your eyes. So I'm going to put an eye there. Don't come in my comments and talk about Illuminati. We're doing medications for body parts. So this is for glaucoma agents, and I think we have about 9 of them here. So let's get started. We're going to start with the brand names on the left and generics on the right. Okay, so let's run down the generic ones. The first three are actually all going to start with the letter B. So betaxolol, brimonidine. My first language is French, so I might pronounce things a little bit differently. So, brinzolamide is our third one with a B. Remember, a good part of remembering and recognizing medications is finding similarities. So one thing that we can recognize already is that the two medications, brimonidine and brinzolamide, both of them start with bri. Okay? The next two are going to end in the same way. Latanoprost and travoprost. Latanoprost and travoprost. Similarities, they end in the same way. Next, I have pilocarpine. Pilocarpine. If we break it down like that, it's easier to remember how to spell them. And our last medication here, no, we have two more medication. I'm gonna put one. This one has a D. Dorzolamide. Dorzolamide. Our last one is timolol. So these are our 8 generic names. Generic names are the names that the doctor and the pharmacist name. No, the names that we're going to put on this side are called brand names. Brand names have even multiples. So you could have one generic name and like 3 multiple brand names. And these are the names that the patient usually would know. Okay. So let's start on the other side. Betazolol is Betopic. Betopic. Brimonidine is alpha gun, like alpha and omega. Alpha gun. And then it has a random capital P. Alpha gun P. It's not all together. Brinzolamide is a 5-letter name. Azopt. 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 The next two end in the same way. Latanoprost is Zalatan. Latanoprost is Zalatan. Za with a Z. With an X, sorry. Xalatn. Zalatan. And travoprost. Travoprost also, its brand name starts with a Trav. But then we switch it. Travatan. Travatan. This is another one that has a random letter. Its capital letter is Z. Travatan Z. Then we have pilocarpine. Pilocarpine has 2 brand names or 2 main active ingredients. The first one is isoptocarpine. Isopto. This one was an easy one for me to remember. I don't know. I just like the name of it. Isoptocarpine. But it also has pilocar. Pilocar. So if you look at the word itself, pilocarpine, you will see that word in both of them. Carpine is right there, carpine or carpine. Pilocar, it's pilocar. It's really made it easy for me to remember. I don't know if it's like clicking for you guys. Dorzolamide, its brand name is Trusopt. PT. So we have an azopt and we have a Trusopt, right? Another thing that those two have in common, they end with the ide. Mide. Brinzolamide, dorzolamide. Okay. Timolol has also 2 brand names here. Timoptic Timolol, Timoptic, Timoptic. Its other brand name is Betty Mall. Betty, not Molol, Betty Mall. By the way, I'm going to start doing oral testing. That's what he said. So basically, if you're somewhere where you can't write but you can pop in your headphones, you can watch one of my videos where I'm literally quizzing you over these meds, okay? So if you want to like quiz yourself but you don't have the time to write it down, you're driving, you're at the doctor's, you can pop in your headphones and you just still get your um your review on. Okay, so now let's go over the things that are similar in these medications. What are things that are popping out that can help us remember? First of all these medications are eye medications because they treat glaucoma. Okay, so let's pull it up like that. We have Atan, and we have Atan here. And then we also notice that their brand name, generic names, end in Oprost, and they both end in Oprost. Okay. We also notice that betaxolol starts with bet, and we're going to do a little wiggle and bet also here. Next, we realize that brimonidine and brinzolamide, they both start with bri. So we're just going to do like a line like that. Just similarities, okay? What else do we notice? The mides, the one that end in mide. Let me get another color. Dorzolamide, brinzolamide. The mides also have similar sounding ending brand names, okay? So, brinzolamide, it ends in lamide, okay? Sorry guys, trying to see through the camera and then write, it's kind of like, it makes me a little bit dizzy. So, their brand name is Azopt and Trusopt. They both end in opt. Round and circle. Okay? Olol here. Timolol, we have all at the end. I'm going to do this. I don't have good depth perception. That's what I'm realizing here. Timolol and Timoptic. I'm going to say ding, 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 ding. And then, where are you? Ding, 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 ding. These are things that all help you remember. You see similarities, you remember things, okay? So let's go over it one more time. Timolol is timoptic or is also betimol. Dorzolamide is Trusop. Pilocarpine is isoptocarpine and it's also Pilocar. Travatan Z is Travoprost. Zalatan with the X is Latanoprost. Brinzolamide is Azopt. Brimonidine is Afalgan P, and betaxolol is Bertopic. These are glaucoma agents.